Happy holidays to all my Tahoe Reno friends. This is Greg Rex. I wanted to send a little invitation out to you. End of the year's coming up. I can't believe 2018 is gone. But I have a ritual every year. I'd like to invite you to it. Every year I do my year-end review and I look ahead and set my goals for the next year. And this year I'm going to do something special up at the cabin with a few people that want to do it kind of in a conscious spiritual way. I'm calling it shamanic goal setting. And what do I mean by that? Well, a shaman is somebody who goes to alternate dimensions in the spirit worlds and can time travel and shapeshift and go and see things and get information and then come back to the ordinary world and then implement that healing. So what we're going to do is we're going to do some goal setting using some shamanic spiritual principles. They're not any specific religion, if you will, but they're visualizations and meditations. So if you're interested in kind of doing a recap, looking back at your year, being grateful, celebrating, acknowledging all the wins you've had and lessons you've had, and then shapeshifting and time traveling into the future and creating your optimal year for 2019, that's what we're going to do. And then we're going to leave you with some strategies on how to create a vision board and implement these goals, these visions that you've made for 2019 into a very practical but fun and hopefully spiritual way. So hope you can join us. It's December 15th from 10 to 12 is the workshop. And from 12 to 1, we're going to have some healthy food, a little lead and greet, a little conversation. So if you're interested in joining us, please RSVP. We do need to have a head count so we have enough food. And I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season. I hope to see you on the 15th.